Hey everyone, available 24/7 366 2.0 here, and today I'm going to be talking about why I stopped playing Cooking Mama. Now, the first reason is because now I played Cooking Mama for an extremely long time when I was younger. Like the first time that I think I ever played Cooking Mama was when I borrowed a game from someone, and it was the very original Cooking Mama and game for the Nintendo DS, and I was 11 when I think I was when I started playing Cooking Mama, and ever since, I played the original one first because I temporarily got to play with it because it was borrowed to me, but I gave it back to the other person pretty much the next day. Then, I was hooked. I was absolutely hooked on Cooking Mama. It's like literally the best cooking game ever. Like, they're the best cooking games ever. You won't ever find other cooking games like them because they're just so fun and they're just so creative and they're so different and they're so amazing too. Um, but yeah, uh, so, um, I don't know. I don't think I said the first reason yet, but, or actually, I'll still talk about the first reason more. Um, it's awesome. They're amazing. They're incredible, and it's fun to play Cooking Mama. It's a lot of fun to play Cooking Mama. So that one is the first reason. The second reason is because it's really fun to play the games. You can do varieties of things on the games, and it's really fun to make the recipes on the games, and it's fun to achieve the recipes and get, the gold coin symbol. It's just a lot of fun, and you want to get several golden coin symbols. At least whenever I would play the games, I would want to get golds on every single recipe, and I'd want to achieve every single recipe with a gold coin because that would be, I think that one would be the best one for like the original games. Um, I think I don't know if there was a such thing as a platinum coin being above gold for like later on in the Cooking Mama games. I don't know if I recall that or not, but I think if that was the case, then I think I would want to get like platinum as well. Actually, though, I think I might be getting that confused with silver, so I actually don't think there was a such thing as platinum. My bad. Like I said, I played the games for an extremely long time, but it was when I was incredibly much younger, so yeah. I got all golds on the very first Cooking Mama game, but but it was very, very difficult. The first version of Cooking Mama will always be difficult, especially with the damn dumpling recipe. I don't know why. And then with the meat cutting. So the first one's really difficult, but the first one's really fun. And I got gold coins completely on the second one and third one and fourth one. But yeah. Um that one was the first reason. I'm sorry that the first reason was incredibly long. I need to make the second, third, and fourth reasons really quickly here. So, yeah. The second reason is because the games are amazing, and I would recommend more people playing Cooking Mama because it's a lot of fun and it's incredible. So that one is the second reason. The third reason is because really they're very entertaining to play. They're absolutely fun to play. Um, the last game that I stopped playing Cooking Mama was the fourth version because of the 3D. I'm not particularly fond of 3D, and I don't care for 3D. But I will say that I completed all of the games with golds with the first version, the second version, the third version, and the fourth version. And that's no lie, because I remember it with my own eyes, and I remember that I achieved all the recipes with gold that I did do with all gold, which was all the recipes and all of the games that I achieved the recipes with gold with. So yeah. I think that one was the third reason. So yeah. The fourth and final reason for this video is because, well, the reason why I stopped playing Cooking Mama was because I just got to a point where I really did not like the 3D for the, you know, next Cooking Mama versions for the game for Nintendo 3DS, that is, and that just really threw me off. That it was just like, I just can't play this anymore. I'm just used to the Cooking Mama games that don't have the 3D, because personally that was better. It was. I think Cooking Mama 3 was the last version that did not have 3D, if I'm not mistaken. But I still played the fourth version of Cooking Mama. I think if that one didn't have 3D, I'm not really quite sure, but yeah. But Cooking Mama 4 was the last version that I played, because then after that, I just didn't really, I just didn't, I just didn't really feel like playing them anymore, because the 3D is what completely threw me off. Um, so yeah, that one is the last and final reason for this video, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will be uploading more videos eventually on both of my YouTube channels, so be sure to check out the new videos when I do post them out on both of my YouTube channels, when all of you have the time to do so. So yeah, stay awesome, stay amazing. Take care, everyone. Bye.